Good afternoon, everybody. Happy Feast of Buddha Purnima. Let's honor life and enlightenment and peace. The song Deva, Mhojea, Deva in Konkani, it's original lyrics by Mhojea and the song composed by famous Goa Shahir Ullas Bhai. God bless you everybody.